comes Matt. He's taking his test drive. There it is. Pretty good. Pretty good. So we have electrical problems. He's got no brake lights, tail lights, or nothing. So we're gonna figure all that out. He's gonna have to figure all that shit out next. But yep, there it is. Oh, he's doing a U-turn down there. We're gonna wait for him to come back. We're gonna wait for him to come back. He's down there doing a U-turn. Here he comes. Sounds good. Well, it does Bernie's. So there's always that. Huh? Heck yeah, buddy. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, Matt's next test ride.
Yeah.
Looks like it zoomed in too far. Zoom that thing out. There you go. Now you got the front of it.